Hello students, welcome to Get Me classes. So question here says explanation for phylogenetic classification can be. So what type of system is phylogenetic? From the name we can derive that philo means evolutionary part and genetic means the correlation between the hierarchy of information. So we have evolutionary part and we have the genetic part or the coding system of information. So these two part, when we studied these two part to understand the similarities and dissimilarities between organisms, that will make phylogenetic type of classification system. That was very important and crucial. Let's just say take a look at all the options and see which one is the correct answer. So we have to find the explanation how to define the phylogenetic classification. So A says that similarity in sexual mode of reproduction. So A says that focus on reproduction was there in phylogenetic system, but reproduction can not always be correlated with evolution or genetics. So cannot always correlate with evolution and genetics. B option says that similarity in asexual mode of reproduction. Again, only reproduction is not the characteristic we chose for phylogenetic classification. Reproduction is a part of evolutionary changes but not the whole basis. So sexual or asexual mode, but they comes under reproduction only. So we cannot choose reproduction as a primary source of phylogenetic classification. C says that evolutionary relationship among organisms. Yes, evolutionary relationship, how organism evolved over a period of time. So over a period of time, there is changes in variety of characteristic. It can be morphological, it can be anatomical. So over a period of time or physiological, all type of changes came into organism, and based on these changes we studied the relationship between the organisms. So that was evolutionary changes. So according to all our options, the last option says that none of these is correct, but we got the hint in about evolution in option C. So out of all our options, the correct option will be option C, that evolutionary relationship between organism is phylogenetic type of classification. So option C is the correct answer.